Let's go. Yeah, buddy.
What's good? What's good?
Let's go. Let's go. I'm actually quite excited for today because now I don't know what's your P&L at already, Will?
My P&L already. Let me have a look. It's I'm about 47 or 46 and a half bucks from 1%
Right.
up.
Oh, so you're up on, okay.
Yeah, but
Yeah,
do you remember yesterday I said that I've got my my GU was it GU I was trading? I can't remember. Let me have a look.
Yeah.
I'm sure it's GU. EU. Oh no, sorry, EU. So do you remember I said I had my EU long?
Yeah, that naughty little trade that was. I got home and I was like,
Yeah, mate, if it wasn't for that $195 loss on the quick scalp to the downside, then mate, I would have been golden. But well, it is what it is. I could have been close to 2% up or 1.5% up at least, but well.
I think when we get close to one of us doing the getting funded on this account, we should do a big giveaway. We'll do like a massive giveaway, like a couple of accounts to some people. I don't know. There's two people watching now, so go on. What are we looking at?
Guaranteed a giveaway.
Yeah, that's a good odds though.
I mean, fair.
Yeah, man. What are we looking at then? Let's have a look. What are you looking at?
Man, I was trying to buy EU and GU today, so I actually TP'd London session here, literally on this wick here.
Yeah.
EU, however, shafted on EU, so I was chasing up here, in this zone up here, just to try and take out some highs. I had my stop just at the low here. Wick came down, I pulled back up, took out around about this level here. And then it actually went and would have hit a full stop had I have not taken. So I was like a bit gutted this morning. You know, I gave pretty much most of my profits away after my TP on GU. So I was wanting to buy EU. I think we can come down a little bit lower first before we're looking at buying. You know, this is on the 15-minute and price is just absolute crap.
Like price is dog.
Literally, man. Look at this. It's just... nothing is happening since, well, pretty much all morning.
Well, I might go for a US yen trade. USD yen.
Oh, nice.
Maybe. Let's have a look. Since this is a competition, you know, I've got a...
Yeah, I made you sweat of it yesterday, didn't I?
I know. I was looking at it. I was like, "Fuck, man! I wish I'd have got that trade. That was super nice."
Yeah, man, that was a nice trade, man. Really nice.
It was super nice. And the fact is, I was in that trade earlier on in the day, and I got stopped out right before that move. And I'm like, so close as well. Serves me right now. Putting my stop like on the bottom of the range. So.
Yeah, I made more on a 50k account yesterday than I made on all my 100k accounts. You know, I got close to. I think I got over £500,000 in London, and I made more on one single 50k account yesterday. That was tragic,
mate. Most of my biggest payouts on 50k accounts.
Mate, literally that.
I don't know why. It's the magic of the 50k, man.
Yeah, man, literally. This was my first time trading a 50k as well. Yeah, I've traded 25ks, you know, smaller accounts, but like usually like a minimum 100k. Like 100k is like my sweet spot. I enjoy trading those accounts, but dude, like yesterday, first time trading a 50k, and it was the first time in New York session in weeks, like weeks and weeks and weeks.
Yeah,
and, mate, it's just full on profit. And I was like,
yeah, no, mate, 50ks are the one. Honestly, I think it's just. Yeah, all I can say is I've made more on 50k accounts than I have on any other account, and I've had funding. My biggest funding accounts, just in individual, has just been 100k. 100ks are like the bread and butter, you know.
Yes.
I haven't gone for. I was going to. I did an evaluation to get a 200, passed level first phase, and then blew out the second phase, which is the same. And that was on a 200k. I'm going for the 200k accounts now, but the 50k is the best, man.
See, I got no interest in 200k accounts.
Why is that?
I don't know. I find that I can do more with the trade copier. You You know,
Yeah.
like
Like mentally, you feel like it's easier to pass like 100k than it is the
yeah, like
200k, even though it's the
especially
same.
when you look at how much a 200k, like you can't pick up 200k for what's that, a grand
It's a
now?
grand. Yeah,
Yeah,
It's about a grand.
yeah. So you've got a grand to spend for a 200k account, or spend literally just over half. Buy yourself 100k, you pass it. Buy yourself another 100k, boom, you're 200k. 200k and it's cost you what, 100k account. That's if you don't get the pay. What do you call it? The refund payout.
Yeah. We got a little bit of news that could potentially move a little bit of the market. I don't know how much that is going to actually affect the
That's
market
at 3
too
p.m.,
much.
isn't it?
That's going to be basically when we're finishing off, to be honest. So I don't
Yeah.
think we're going to get too affected. That we've got the open, so
Yeah, it should be fine. I mean, we're coming down into a really nice buy zone now from Euro.
let's have a look.
So in fact, this is close to where I took out. Guys, I was gutted yesterday. Like I was so annoyed at myself. Look at this. So we were buying down here.
Yeah.
And I TP'd at these highs, and I thought, actually, I'm going to take the TP off, and I let it run up a little bit more, and I thought, sweet, this will do. And I started like pulling back and wicking back down, so I thought, sweet, took off, and then it pushed up a little bit more, and I thought,
yeah, it was a nice move, man. That was a really by the book move. To be fair,
I thought, should I just take the TP off and let it run? I was like, do I? And then
lucky you didn't, to be fair.
I don't know, man. You had all this run up here. You had a massive run up, but yeah, at the same time, screw that. Better to take profit. Better to take money off the table.
Yeah, gold looks like it's coming down just to...
Do you trade New York? Do you trade London session this morning?
I did a little bit. To be honest, not too much. I had a trade. What were the two trades that I had open? So I had a pound. Was it a pound CHF trade? Pound CHF trade, and then I had a euro trade. The euro trade pushed up really nicely, so I got some nice trades on that, and that's it really. So it's been quite quiet, to be honest. I've been getting smashed recently though, so I just got to be.
Mate, gold was nice this morning. Gold was really nice.
Proper moving.
Yeah.
Okay, so that entry on Euro, USD yen, I think I missed it. Let's have a look.
Yeah,
maybe. Maybe.
You short or long in?
I'd be long in USD yen.
What are you doing that for?
Don't do
that.
Let's have a look. Probably something like that. If it can come down, touch into these prior highs pre-break, I'd be happily buy that. Is it gonna do it? I'm not too sure. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put my little risk thing on. I'm gonna put on $1,000, so 1% risk. Gonna put my TP. Gotta love trade locker like this is just super easy.
It is. Honest to God, I was trading New York session this morning. London session this morning, and I haven't touched the charts since trading with you guys yesterday. And I thought it was just so clunky and frustrating. And I was like, I don't like this. I was like, I want to go back to trade locker. I want my risk thing.
Trade locker and C trader. Honestly, I'll take C trader over anything, but trade locker is C trader is the best in my opinion. Yeah, it's just super clean, super easy. Trade locker is just also like it's a pretty standard. It's a pretty standard platform though. Like it does everything that you need it to do, and it doesn't have. It's not overly. Okay, there you go. It's coming back in. I think that's when I'm gonna get the buy. Right, I'm in the buy right now. It's already put in my risk.
Nice.
How much is it actually put on? It's put on 11 lots. So that's my first trade for today, and that's pre-open as well. Dangerous. Dangerous. Yeah, Dino you like trade locker as well, huh?
Dino, you got a bit of I'm guessing you're on about Alex. You know, I'm not too handsome.
Oh, I decided to trim the beard, man. People kept on making comments that my beard's getting a little
Oh,
bit.
really? Mate, the missus hates it.
Yeah.
Literally, I was away with it on the weekend. And I went to give her a kiss. She was like, "Go away." I was like,
Yeah.
"Why?" She was like, "Your beard's too long," and I didn't bring any of my shaving kit with me, so I was like, I was at that stage where it's like prickly, you know. So I need to go back.
The thing is, I like having a little bit of facial hair. I feel naked now. It's short, man.
Oh, mate, I hate it. Mate, I honestly look about 16.
It's awful, man. Like, honestly. Imagine there was the days, yeah, where everybody was like used to have like it was all clean shaven and all that stuff. Now, I couldn't think about a clean shaven face.
No, mate, I haven't clean shaven a face. In fact, I haven't clean shaven my face since I was in the Royal Marines base a couple of years ago. And I was
were you in the Royal Marines or you were just in the base?
I was joining the reserves. I was joining the reserves, and then I lost about 10 grand the whole time that I was in the base. I was opening swing. I had a swing position open, and I had a couple of different orders, and they all got tagged, and then they all lost, and I couldn't manage my trade, and I thought, nah. I said, nah. So
Royal Marines are tough cookies, man.
Oh yeah, mate. Honestly, I trained for years coming up to it.
Yeah, when I was about 16. That was one of the options where I wanted to join the army, and I wanted to do that. And Royal Marines was my first option.
Yeah,
ended up doing something totally different, but you know, different place altogether. But Royal Marines are tough, man. Definitely.
Yeah, mate. They're a different breed, like really different breed.
The training's also difficult, man. All of that water, the tread in water, and all of the laps you got to do.
Everything is just like, I think the one that comes close is obviously the paras. They've got a similar training, but mate, the Royal Marines, like, because they're Navy, like, it's just a different breed, man. Different breed. So much. A little bit of regret that I didn't continue, but I mean,
I feel you with that.
You know, but like, I'm now a profitable trader, and like that's all that matters to me, you know.
Yeah. No,
I achieved my overall goal, but I was a little bit gutted I didn't join. But
do you know what? I hate water. I hate water, man, with a passion. Like, I'm the type of person. Yeah, I'll go in. I'll have a shower. For me is 3 minutes. I go in.
Oh yeah.
I'm like that, and I get out. I'm like a cat, man. 3 minutes, I'm in and out. I can't stay in water for too long. So maybe it was actually good that I didn't go into the Royal Marines.
Yeah, boy.
Jumping out of planes, fine. Like, I jumped out.
You don't mind that?
Yeah, well, I was a parachuter anyway, so that's what we did. We jumped out of planes. It wasn't very high up though, and you've got, like, as soon as you jump out, the parachute pulls off anyway, so it doesn't really matter.
Yeah, true. Yeah, they're static jumps, aren't they?
Yeah, it's not really. It's like everybody's like, oh, parachuters. It's like,
yeah, that's the one thing I've always wanted to do, mate, is jump out of a plane.
To be honest, something nice about it, man. When you're looking outside and you're like, yeah, this is kind of, you know, your bum goes a little bit tight. You're like, oh, I don't know if I want to jump. Don't know if I want to jump out of these. And then you basically just get a pat on the back, and then you either do it or you don't. And when you jump out, it's just like the most peaceful thing ever. It's like you're just floating. It's just the most peaceful, like, 30 seconds ever. So.
Yeah, no, man, I can believe it. Like, it's one thing. The thing is that, like, if I'm gonna die, I want to be in control of it. You know, that's the only thing I think stopping me from jumping out of an airplane.
There's always that clumsy guy. Yeah, there's always a clumsy person that gets his leg caught in, like, the cords of the parachute. There's always that one guy.
Yeah, man, it scares me, man. Like, I can just imagine, like, I don't know why, it's some really odd, irrational fear that I pack my backpack instead of a parachute or something.
Oh, mate.
Pull a cord in my lap.
I'll give you this one. I know it's a bit morbid, but would you rather die in the ocean or in the sky?
I mean, that's a good question, mate.
Mate, me in the sky, 100%. 100%.
I mean, they do say drowning's the worst way to go.
Oh, imagine just being out in like the middle of the ocean. Yeah, you're the only one there. You don't know what's underneath you. You're just like totally alone. Nah, never. Never do
I
that.
mean, fair. No, fair. That's a valid point.
Oh, Void would do the ocean. Oh, mate, Void, you're nuts, mate. You're crazy.
Fair, in fact, is that Void? Is that Void? Is that like
Yeah.
Akram? Is that you?
Yeah.
Yeah, what's good, man? How you doing, bro? Why didn't I see you in mine this morning? Where were you this morning, dude?
Oops.
Right out.
Aye. Legend.
Man,
Okay,
I've
so
missed
look.
this buy on EU.
So impulsive candle. Shouldn't. There's no reason why we can't get to that 200 EMA.
Just looking the
I want
hourly.
to start with a fight here and go out in style. Oh, mate.
Right.
Oh, I don't know about that one.
Some proper Jaws stuff, like.
Yeah. I don't know about that one.
Yeah, I don't know. I'm watching this program at the moment. It's on Netflix called All the Sharks. It's where they basically get like celebrities to. It's like celebrity divers.
Yeah.
You've got to go taking like pictures of all the sharks. Dream of mine. I'd love to do
Really?
that.
Wow, you're a proper like water person then. You're a proper like
I
ocean.
got my scuba diving license and all.
Really? Do you surf?
Yeah. I used to surf.
Hmm.
I used to surf. I don't do it anymore.
And what's that beach? Is there a beach in? Is it Tenby? The Tenby beach?
Yeah. You're not much surfing on Temi, but you got Fresh West.
Mm.
Mate, Red Bull Championships are held on Fresh West, which is half an hour from me.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah, they've got like the nationals or the international championships surfing.
Wow. I went to Bali once, and I was in Uluwatu. If you know Uluwatu in Indonesia.
No, I don't know.
It was like, this is where all the pros go, and I went there just to, I was going to go and surf, and then I looked at the size of the waves, and then I just looked at the people coming out with like snapped boards, and I was just like, yeah, I'm not getting in there.
Screw that, man.
No, they've got all the reef underneath, so people were getting cut up. I was just like, I'm not going to surf there. No way.
Yeah, the ocean is a cruel mistress. You don't mess with her.
Yeah, mate. Not on that. Not on that. I'd rather jump out of a plane. Jump out of a plane.
Nah, I'm still not with you on that one though. Actually, no, I think I am. I would love to jump out of a plane. I got a friend of mine. He's actually a skydiving instructor.
Yeah.
And
What, freediving type of?
yeah.
Yeah.
And he's an awesome guy, really, really cool guy. And he said to me, he's like, "Oh yeah, go on this summer. I'll take you up in the plane." I'm like, "Yeah."
Yeah. You sound like me with water, mate.
Really? You're not like water at all, no.
No, it's not that.
Proper cat, like.
Yeah, proper, man. Like I go to the beach, and I'm just like, I don't even like getting on the sand, because you go in the water and then you get on the sand and then you just turn into like
That's
this
a valid feeling. That's a valid.
schnitzel, It's like
It's just triggering that feeling as well, not being able. It's just that sand just stuck to your feet and you can't get it off, and then it goes all over.
And then it goes everywhere. You find it like
you
2 months
find
later,
it
you've got it all over your apartment. I'm like,
Yeah. No, mate, that annoys me. I hate mess as well. Like, it really stresses me out. I'll be sleeping in sand for like 2 weeks, and you're like, "How? I've washed my like bedding like 3 times, and you're still finding sand." It's like
awful, mate. Okay, what is going on USD yen? Let's see. It looks like it's coming back down onto this trend line. May add a little bit in there, but it might be a little bit risky. What are you saying, Will? What's going on? Are you actually in anything, or are you being?
mate, I think I've missed you.
Okay, so I'm the one. I'm currently in something, huh?
You. I think I'm missing you. I had this buy zone. It just didn't tap me in. So
Look.
I got these 2 areas here. No, I got this area down here.
Those channels on EU have been savage, though, haven't they?
Haven't they?
Those channels, they're like, honestly, because you don't know when it's gonna break out, and you get so many just different fake outs of it. It's
yeah, no, literally that. You know, even with GU, it's coming down nicely now, but
Yeah.
oh man, I don't know. Just like pure consolidation, mate. Look at this. Like, what even is this?
No, tough environment to trade.
Yeah, it is.
Tough environment.
Like, this is all of Asia. So we swept Asia this morning.
Yeah.
Which was quite nice.
Yeah.
So that was So that was pretty cool. So I thought, oh, okay, yeah, I'll find some buys. And I waited for the break above, which didn't get the pullback. And then I thought, okay, cool. Now we're getting the pullback, and I'm thinking, like, if we have a look, we're in the trading range. And I'm is this a pullback now, or is this just a break out of a trading range?
Nah, yeah, it's been difficult.
Really odd.
Difficult.
Odd price.
Void, what have you been trading? Because you've been trading a little bit, haven't you, Void? What were you saying, Will?
What's up, Will? Long time no see. How you doing, dude? Good to see you, bro. Dude, maybe I get saved by a mermaid, then tell her I'm a trader, and then she leaves. Leads me back to the sharks and my misery.
I got a good question for you. Will, when you met your missus and she asked you what you do for a living, what did you say to her?
I'm a degenerate gambler. No, I said I'm for the casino, it's a better chance of becoming a millionaire. No, I said to her, I'm an entrepreneur, because it's not. I don't just trade. You know, I've got other avenues. I do other businesses. So I've got a lot in the background. Her dad's done a bit of trading as well. Here and there, like a bit of investing.
Yeah.
I don't think her parents, like, I haven't met her parents. I'm meeting her parents in January. So I told, like, she knows I trade. She joins all my live streams. She's super supportive, and she knows, like, about trading. She knows nothing about it, but she knows about it. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So, like, when I'm rambling on to her about this, that, and the other, she's like, "Oh, okay, cool." Not a clue, but like, she sees the profits I earn. She's like, "Oh, I like trading," you know.
Yeah.
And I'm like, "Oh yeah, I lost a lot of money today." She's like, "Oh no, that's not good."
Nobody can ever, you know, it's so funny.
Yeah, no.
Like you're losing a lot, and then somebody comes in, and let's say you're in a losing trade, and then they try and speak to you. You know?
Yeah, mate.
Like
that's why I got a door on my office. Open, you're welcome. If it's closed, Yeah, it's like my one rule of my office. When it's open, like, storm in, all guns blazing, I don't care.
Yeah.
If it's closed, it's a good chance I'm streaming, or I'm live, or I'm in a meeting, or I do not want to be interrupted, e.g. drawdown. So yeah, it does suck. But...
We've had 2 funded traders already. I'm funding Rock.
Oh, awesome.
Yeah, man.
That's sick. Congratulations, guys.
Yeah.
Dude, look at gold. Mate, that's selling off.
Let's have a look at gold. Go on, you got it up on your screen, have you?
Oh, no, I haven't got it up on my screen.
Yeah, gold really came down, huh? I gotta say, guys, New York is better than London. New York session.
At the moment, it is.
London's whack for me.
Yeah.
London is really
garbage.
London's been garbage.
The worst thing is that I am the London live trading floor, you know? I am London. And it sucks because when I'm streaming, like, I'm not making profits, or I'm barely breaking even. Welcome to the London live trading floor, everybody, where we can't make money.
I think I should live in India, and then I can do all of the sessions, because they've got the best. You know, they've got London, New York, and Asian session. They can literally trade as much as they want.
Yeah, fair. We were chatting today actually about Asia session, and because I only trade London, and like, I'm enjoying trading New York at the moment. I'm finding more setups in New York, and then some of the guys were like, "What about Asia? Would you ever trade Asia session?" And I'm like, "Nah, I like my sleep too much." You know, I'm off to Hong Kong next January for a few months, and then I'm off to Thailand for a few months. So I'll probably look at Asia session, but I probably won't trade it.
I don't know what is going on. Hold on a second. This EMA keeps moving. 1 minute it's up there, and then the next minute it's something dodgy with this EMA. I think that's my trade done. Let's have a look. See, that's what I'm saying. It's the EMA is moving, and that's my target. That is weird. Trade Locker for you guys. Trade Locker is a great platform, guys. Your EMAs move. You know, pushes your targets higher, pushes you to hold on to profit.
Oh, I'm gonna give this a go. Maybe a bit risky, but I'm gonna give it a go.
Streaming gear, go for it, man. Why don't you come and jump on Funding Rock? We'll sponsor your streaming, boy. The Asian session, we'll sponsor it. Okay.
Just had a fly come into my
a little
office.
bit more.
Really irritating. Oh, mate, what is going on with EU? It's even gapping now.
Why did you? It's gapping.
Mate, literally, look at the gap. There's a tiny gap on the 5 minute. Like, what's going on?
Yeah. So wait, hold on. You're in a trade as well, then, yeah?
Yeah. I'm long GU. Oh, never mind. As it drops.
Okay.
I am long, mate. I'm in. I'm risking about $500.
Okay, nearly 1% up. That's basically back to break even now. So I'm nearly there. Yeah, it's like with trading as well. When you meet somebody new and you have to explain to them what you do, sometimes
I hate it, man. Like, what do you say?
Sometimes I just make some up.
I just say I work in finance. Oh, you can't. Is he back?
Avoid when you get your streaming software or when you get your streaming stuff. Don't get this microphone. Every time I've tried to explain what I do, like actually, like seriously, I just see, you know, those glazed eyes. You're just looking at somebody you're taking, and it's just glazed eyes, and then I just start rambling on about something else, and they're just clearly not listening. So I just
literally,
I just have to tell them, like, I don't know, like I'm a farmer or something, you know.
Oh wow, you go that different. Not even in office work. Like, completely different. Right, literally that. Joe is quite funny as well. Like, I grew up on a farm. Like I still have a farm. I got a fly.
Yeah,
I'm gonna look like a right weirdo, like chasing after a fly now. Yeah, I grew up on a farm, and I was working on the hay last month. And after streaming, they were like, "Oh, Will, what's the plans today then?" And I was like, "Oh, I'm gonna go jump in the tractor now." And they were like, "I thought you were a trader."
Yeah.
And I was like, yeah, you know, like when I trade 2 hours a day, you know, you get bored for the rest of the day. And I was like, I'm gonna go do other things.
Yeah,
it's quite funny. So I took a picture of my tractor, and it was quite funny. They were like, "Well, this isn't the millionaire lifestyle. No, the Lamborghini lifestyle that we were promised." And I was like,
tractors are expensive.
Dude, this tractor costs more than Lamborghini.
Is expensive
that. I was like, this is more expensive than a Lamborghini. So then I went and took a picture of the car garage that we've got, and I sent you a video, Al, the other.
Yeah. Wow, some beasts in that.
Oh yeah,
beasts in there.
I was like, is this more like it, guys? I was like, have I redeemed myself?
Do you know what I like watching? Is Clarkson's Farm.
Oh mate, I'm addicted to it. Like even as a farm, like even as a small time farmer myself, like I'm addicted to it.
He's a legend, man.
What an awesome guy.
Yeah,
like he's got my respect. Although he is putting weight on, you know.
Is he? I can't.
Oh mate, like if you watch him in like the Top Gear compared to like Clarkson's Farm, mate, you'll see that just shift in his weight.
Oh mate, I used to love the old school Top Gears, man.
Same as that. I remember like as a kid, like a kid, you know, I'd be watching it with my dad, and they'd be like the African Special and the Indian. Oh mate, honestly, I love Top Gear.
Yeah. It's a shame that he punched the. What did he do? He punched the BBC producer or something.
Yeah, that's right. Was it a producer or a cameraman?
It was a producer of the show or something like that.
Oh man, what muppet, man! He ruined it for so many people.
Oh. He must have. He must have. You know, I can't see Clarkson getting annoyed by somebody that he must have done something. They must have done something wrong.
I don't know, mind.
You know, you don't think? You think
Clarkson,
he's?
he's got a bit of a fuse.
Is he?
Mm.
Oh, he's a funny bloke though, man.
Oh man, I love him. He's quality. I got a house in the Cotswolds,
Yeah.
and my house is about 15 minutes from his farm, and about
Yeah.
10 minutes from his new pub. Yeah, and I still haven't yet been to his pub. Oh man, what's G doing? I mean, we're still in the zone. This is basically break even. What I don't want to do, I don't want to ladder into it. So, Euro, how's Euro looking? This would be interesting.
Okay, so
Okay, we're getting a bit live. Oh, there we go. Actually,
let's have a look. Let's have a look at what you got going on, son. What you got going on, Shan? Okay, no, it's a nice trade. Nice trade.
Cooking up a little bit of something over here, but the validity is decreasing.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're heading into a bit of drawdown now, so don't know if I'm not gonna ladder into this at all. No, I'm gonna stay in this. I tried buying. In fact, it's quite funny. I tried buying GU and EU.
Go on, son. Come on, boys.
What are you up now?
Let's get it up. Go on. Well, I love it. I love seeing this. I love seeing this when we're in a competition. It's a shame I couldn't do this in London session. I'm gonna stop trading London session. I swear.
I don't blame you. Even I'm considering it.
But it's quite nice growing up on a farm, to be fair.
Mate, honestly, it's incredible. I love it.
Instead of like in a city. City is such a different vibe, man.
Yeah, 100%.
Do you have like? Did you have like a dirt? Do you have like a dirt bike or a
Or bike.
quad bikes?
I always wanted a motorbike, but my parents wouldn't let me. Yeah, it's too dangerous. So I bought a motorbike anyway, but I bought myself a road bike instead.
Yeah. Oh mate, I'm so tempted to either, because obviously it's coming up to winter soon. Well, it's not. It's just got into summer, but eventually, you know, in a few months, it's going to start getting colder and the rain's going to start coming through. And I was thinking, should I get a car or should I just go and get a new motorbike? And I'm just like, what would be the more sensible thing? Oi, but I don't know, man. I'm eyeing up that BMW, the 1000RR.
Ooh, nice.
Such a nice bike.
Not a lot of power for a bike, though. What do you need that much power for?
It's absurdly powerful, but
Yeah.
it's just like something about it, man. You like your cars as well. It's just the noise,
man,
you know, when you turn it on in the morning and it's just like.
Yeah, that cold start, mate.
Oh, mate! Only men can appreciate that. Oh, I don't know many women that understand it, to be honest.
Yeah, I do know one girl. She is crazy about her bikes. But yeah, I know what you mean, mate. 100%. You know, I've not met many women that are just so intensely passionate about engines.
Oh man. You know, he was a mechanic as well. Rich was a mechanic.
He was.
Yeah.
He loves his bikes as well.
He loves his bikes. Yeah, he's got a little scrambler. Okay, take profit. Booyakasha.
Ah, nice. What was your GP at?
Okay, now 0.5% in profits. Here we go, boys. Here we go, boys. We're back in. Okay, so 340. That's on gold. Let's have a look at gold. Wow. Yeah, gold is having a nice little impulsive move. Get rid of that.
Yeah, I'm actually looking at now jumping in on EU. I'm gonna put 2 orders in.
Yeah, that GU's coming into a nice area of demand in all fairness.
Hmm.
The thing is, we just had this consolidation all day, and if it's not breaking up, and now it's basically, I don't know, it's a difficult read, man.
Yeah, right. I've just been tapped in on EU now. I think I'm gonna get taken out of GU.
Yeah, you're short EU.
Yeah. No, I'm long.
Fuck. So I'm like, this is what I like to see. Go on.
Probably the wrong.
Oh, Will. It looks like he's. Let's have a look.
I've just been tapped in now.
Oh, you just got in.
I got 2 orders.
Okay, it's a nice area to get back in because it's these highs pre-break, I guess. Nearly there. Got a small DAX trade. Let's have a look at the DAX. German Force.
Oof, geez, savage.
GU savage. GU. I haven't traded. I don't trade GU that much now because it's just. But when it goes, man, it really does go, and you can get some lovely profits on GU.
Yeah, I mean, literally.
Yeah, the DAX. I know a few people that make good money on the DAX. Grocery Trader's one of them. DAX looks like it wants to come short.
Grocery Trader trade DAX, does he?
Yeah. He's pretty big.
I thought he was currency trading.
Yeah, he's got his he's definitely got his stripes on in the DAX. In all fairness, okay, so Dixie's really
Mate, Dixie's going up, I can imagine.
Yeah, pushing up. It's approaching resistance though.
This may not end well.
What? How much risk you got
on? Enough. I got 3% per trade.
Right now?
No, sorry, 1% per trade.
I was gonna say.
Oh, mate, no, sorry, 3% overall.
Nice. Okay.
Yeah, 1% per trade. Oh, mate. Just got stressed thinking about having 3% per trade.
Yeah, it's. I can see it. I can see the reasons why you'd be going long right now.
Yeah,
lower time frame just doesn't look.
No. Check the 1 hour out, because this is the 15 on GU. The 1 hour on GU is a bit meh, but mate, EU 1 hour.
Oh, EU 1 hour break retest, super clean.
It's textbook. Textbook.
It is super clean. Super clean. So when I look at yesterday, I was just like, what a waste of such a nice trade. Because I was the trade idea was literally this. No, entry was up here, stopping it below the lows. And so, you know, why would I have my stop underneath the range on a level as well? Like I could have had it probably up there and I would have been laughing. But there you go. I have to have tight stops. That's just the way that I trade, unfortunately.
I mean, at least you know almost instantly whether you're getting in or out of the trade.
That's.
Like with me, like my stops are a little bit wider. I'm sitting there for ages and just pure boredom, thinking, "Oh, is this just gonna like? Yeah, if it's just if it's gonna reverse, can you just hurry up?"
I think there's going to be a time where I'm going to have to. I'm going to have to go into swing trading.
Mate, I was just about to say the same. Like this, I'm looking at. So I got a bit of a 3-year plan,
Yeah.
and within like after 3 years' time, I want to be a swing trader.
I think so. I don't think unless
Just saves burnout, man.
yeah.
It's a
Man,
real thing.
trading intraday trading is exhausting.
Yeah, 100%. Yeah, 100%.
And don't forget is what streaming is exhausting.
Well, I stream 3 hours a day now. I'm 2 hours in the morning now. I'm joining you every now and then on the week on the New York. So mate, it takes it out of you, man. It's a burnout.
It is,
like, be careful you don't burn out. Oh, there we go. GU's starting to look a bit nicer now.
Nice, yeah.
I mean, it's still. Well, I'm $9 down.
After we had our conversation about naked charts, I was playing with the idea of it, of just like having just completely naked charts. I'm just looking at it. I was like, oh man, it takes a little bit of getting used to be fair.
Yeah, it does. Yeah, it does. It feels like something's always missing in your charts as well.
Yeah.
You're always
like,
looking.
It's
Oh, there we go. That's nice. Look at that on the 15-minute.
Yeah, it looks good.
That's what we want to see.
Yeah. Is that's come down into a fib?
Let's have a look. It looks like a fib. It looks like it's come down to the 50. Or maybe into the 60.
Yeah.
Oh wow, no, it's come down further. You're probably looking at like the 7 zone there. Should I try and put the 7 on? Go the 7-8. Wow, look at that, perfectly into the 7-8 position. In fact, let me go white.
Like he really wants to.
Yeah, look at that.
I'm researching to build my current tiers. Can you share a strategy in a simple way so you can? To be honest, I agree with what Void says. One thing that I would say with currencies though, it's a naturally ranging market, so you've got to be. You should take your money when. Don't go for massive, and this is my personal opinion, but don't try and trade the trend. And what I mean by that is don't go for these crazy 1-50 risk to reward ratios or anything like that. Just get in 1-2, 1-3. You can make such good money for a 1-2 risk to reward ratio with a trading strategy that hits 40% of the time. You can make a lot of money through that. It just ranges more. Like if you're gonna ask, okay, what about a trading strategy on something like crypto or equities? I would say EMAs, break retests, market structure, and then just trail your stop as soon as you get onto a trend, and just keep trailing until you get taken out. The thing is, in currencies, it just it can get so choppy, and it's such a ranging market that you're just better off just getting in and out.
Yeah, I mean, literally that.
Yeah, we don't really pick the easiest market to trade.
Mate, if it was easy, it would be boring.
Oh, mate. That's the thing. Sometimes it is boring, and then I'm like, this is too boring. I need to do.
This is just too easy.
I need to do a punt. What am I punting? I need to do something. I just found currencies more fake break, less smooth, and just go. Yeah, sometimes they take. They just go to level. To be honest, they just consolidate between levels.
Yeah, mate, liquidity is a real thing.
Yeah. Like, let's have a look at some of these equity plays that.
EU's. Use holding, which is okay.
Do you trade stocks?
No, I literally EUG. That's all I trade. Euro and the pound against the dollar.
Yeah. Playing with the ideas to start trading equities and stuff. They trend. I just love the fact that they just trend.
Yeah. Yeah. In all fairness, I'm looking at other assets to potentially, like you said, just EMA breakout. Not even a retest. Just EMA. Follow the EMA. Follow the trend. A couple of EMAs on. Make it look like a Bollinger Band. Yeah. And then just follow the trend up and just trail the stops. You know, that is a goal. Oh, there we go. That's a bit nice. We're about $80 up.
Nice. Yeah, it's come.
GU's looking nice actually.
Yeah.
About 50% drawdown, mind. Is that about 50? Let's have a look. I'm sure that looks about 50% drawdown. Yeah, bang on 50% drawdown.
Oh no, perfect area for it to start pushing from, to be fair. Yeah, that's the thing. The risk management super important, and managing yourself is anyway is again super important. Good to see you, gents. We'll catch up again soon. See you later, mate.
Yeah, see you later, Akram. See you.
Pleasure having you on.
CC, good afternoon. Enchanté. In fact, you found it by yourself. I didn't even send you the link. That's what I mean. She knows.
Getting recommended for trading content these days. Okay, yeah. I reckon that's gonna push up. What's the Dixie doing? Dixie's still pushing up. Yeah. Gold.
I'm about $70 up now.
Nice.
Yeah, it was about 80. I'm gonna see if I can get about 1-2% out of this. If I can, that'd be awesome. You know, I'm about 100. In fact, I'm about $100 up now. You know, if I can bank about $1,000 on this, that'd be pretty cool.
Yeah, we got an 8% target. So you gotta get. What have you got to get? You got to get 4,000, and you're 4,000. Yeah, about that. And then you got the 5% afterwards.
Yeah, fair. Joe would be super nice. A one phase, just get straight up 10%. They're nice.
Yeah, like like instant funding, or just like the one phase, like
no, one phase. I think I don't know much about instant funding. I mean, it's cool. You know, I'm sure there's ways that you can use instant funding. It's pretty cool, and you can utilize it. But I don't know much about it. Whereas if you could have like one phase, just 10% TP, or that'd be awesome. I think.
Sorry, I noticed on EU often creates patterns within patterns, and breaks 2 or 3 chart patterns commonly used by retail traders.
Wow, from $120 up to $40 up. Okay. EU just holding a break even.
I don't know. I can't tell you, to be honest. You know, all I see, the only things that I trade when it comes to patterns is, you know, that type of pattern where it's like that kind of Quasimodo type of W pattern where prices try to
it's like an upside down head and shoulders almost.
Yeah, exactly. That's all it is. It's tried to make a low, couldn't break. It's made a low, couldn't continue down. Then you have a break of internal structure like that. You have a break of internal structure, and then all I'm doing is just getting long. And that is basically all the setups, and that is all I do. And here, basically, all you have is you have these prior kind of like highs, and that's all I'm trying to target. I'm just trying to target those areas. Literally, that's probably the only pattern that I'm actually trading. I do trade a flag pattern as well. I do like a good flag pattern. So something like see price coming up, and then it just does. You can see it quite a lot. Of EU's been doing it. It's been doing something like that, and then I do like trading that as well. You can see it here. Where else can we see a nice flag pattern? Here's literally the model that I've just shown you. So literally that, you know, you've had this low, you've had the low, you've had another try to get break down lower, it couldn't break down lower, break the highs. And then you would have targeted. It's literally the exact model.
You superstitious, Al?
Yeah.
Yeah. I always find that if I make a good coffee, I make money.
Yeah.
It's really good.
And if you make it, what happens if you make a bad coffee?
I lose every time.
Yeah.
Every single time. I had a coffee this morning. It was meh. It wasn't good, but it wasn't bad.
Yeah.
And I made it.
If I go to the gym in the morning, I tend to have a good day. If I
yeah.
don't go to the gym in the morning, I tend to.
Honest to God, this is why I put my jacket on.
Yeah.
I'm going to the gym after this.
Yeah.
Literally going to the gym after this.
I don't. Not trade. You got to train, man. Like just for your mental health, man. I don't think people realize just moving your body just a little bit is super.
Yeah, mate. Literally that.
Okay, you're back in profits, man. Fair enough.
I'm
wow, it's pushing up, huh?
Up.
Whoa, it's pushing up big time.
Yeah.
Got a little sniper there, mate.
Man, that's looking good, you know? Yeah, let's go. More of that. Honey and GU. Come on, let's be having you. That's what we want to see. Come on.
Our conversation, our little podcast will be going on next week, mate.
Oh, really? That's sick, man. I'm looking forward to that.
Yeah.
I love doing a podcast. You know, there's something about podcasts. I love it.
Yeah, I just like talking, don't I?
Yeah.
I just love it. I just like talking.
Right, yeah, I can res with that. That's why I'm a public speaker. You know, I love going to London. I get paid to travel to London, speak and blab on to a bunch of people, and they just either have to listen to me or genuinely enjoy listening to me. It's such a weird feeling. Like most people are like, "Oh, Will, shut up."
How did you feel when you first went up?
Dude, I was shitting myself.
Yeah.
Yeah, like my first ever public speaking event. It was quite a nice event as well. It was quite a big event, and I was a bit nervous, man. Like every other event that I've been to, or bar one maybe, hasn't lived up to it.
Yeah.
You know, so like it was quite weird to do the one of the best or biggest events as my first event. I've been potentially offered some huge events, like huge events. But they've either not fallen on a day that I can do, or it's just their organization side of things. Because I'm a trader / motivational speaker, it's not been trading related. Like because I've got an extended diploma in travel and tourism.
Yeah,
and it was in the tourism industry. Oh, look at that is nice.
Yeah, mate, you picked a good one there.
Yeah, I'm about $350 up floating, give or take. Yeah, so I actually said, I was like, look, yeah, I can make it motivational. I can speak to them about all things tourism. I said I've got, grades in that. I've got experience and years of knowledge in that.
Yeah.
And they actually, I'll tell you how much they offered me, because I didn't end up taking the gig. They offered me 20K to speak for 90 minutes.
And you
Yeah.
didn't go.
I didn't go.
Yo.
Mate, I know.
Wow, I didn't know they were paying that good for speaking.
Neither did I. Mate, I've not found that since. So like, someone goes, "Well, can you speak at an event? 20K? No, that's just too expensive." I'm like, "Damn, I really should have taken that gig."
I 20K, man.
Yeah, I nearly flew to Paris this year.
Yeah.
That was to a women's empowerment event.
What you been like, emotional support, or you took
I have no idea, but apparently they wanted me at that, so that was interesting. So I didn't go to that, because in the end they wanted me to pay them.
No.
Oh, mate, I swear to God, you couldn't honestly.
Women empowerment, man. That's how it is.
No, you couldn't write it. They were like, oh, they approached me and they were like, oh, we want you speaking at an event. It's in Paris. The next one's in Miami and all that lot. And I was like, sweet. I was like, I'll do it for free as long as you pay for my travel expenses, like, mate, Paris, then Miami. I think one was in Tokyo as well. I was like, dude, like, I'm up for this. And then they were like, yeah, it's going to cost about £1,000. I'm like, oh, yeah, sweet. Like, you can either pay me $1,000 or I'd rather the expenses cost.
Yeah.
No, you got to pay us. I've never laughed at someone in a meeting before. That was the first.
It's hilarious.
That was the first time I'd ever laughed at someone out of a meeting.
That's it. Well, there you go, guys. So, Will, what are you up on the day? You're floating.
About 360, about 380, climbing about $400 up.
Super, super nice trade, mate. You've got like literally, I think you probably got on the low of that move. And it looks like it really wants to push up, mate. Nice trade.
400 up now and growing.
Wow, so you're at 1% already. I hit 1% as well, so I'm now back into profit. We'll keep everybody updated with how that goes. And there you go, for everybody that tuned in and chilled with us for a little bit. Akrim, you got Dino, you got CC, all of those ones. It was really nice having you guys in, and we will see you next time. Thank you very much.